Alright, so here is the best way on how you can use Grok Anime Companion. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. First up, you need to download Grok app. So it's only on iOS. Just make sure there's nothing on Android. You have to have an iPhone device in order to download Grok app. So first up, just go ahead and open up App Store. Once you open it up, it's just gonna take a while to open up actually. So once the App Store is opened up, you need to go ahead and search up Grok. And just like that, you need to search it up and it will show you right over here the app. So I already have it downloaded, but you need to download it, and once you download it, just open it up. So right over here, it will show you something like this in the first interface. So here, you need to make sure you got two things. First up, you need to press on these three horizontal lines on the corner. Once you press on them, you'll see chat with Grok, but you just need to go ahead and press on this gear icon on the corner. Right over here, you'll see the option of upgrade to Super Grok. So you have to have Super Grok or Super Grok Heavy in order to get your companion. If you don't have Super Grok or Super Grok Heavy, you cannot get companion or chat with it. So make sure you do have Super Grok. So once you got Super Grok, what you can do in order to enable it, you will see the option of companions right over here, and you need to make sure that your companion option is turned on. Once this is turned on, you can just go back and go to customize Grok. Right over here, you'll need to press on custom, and then you need to first make sure you enable customization, and then press on custom, then press save. Once all this is done, you're good to go. You can directly chat with Annie, which is the anime companion. It will show you right over here in the chat bar. Right over here, for me, it says there's nothing here yet because I'm not on the plan or the Super Grok or Super Grok Heavy, but you need to have Super Grok or Super Grok Heavy to get a companion. But you'll have it, you just need to tap on it, and it's a girl that you can talk to, and you can build affection level and all that type of stuff. And as your bond grows with her, you can also unlock NSFW mode and possibly future outfits. So yeah, this is it. I hope this video actually helped you out. I'll see you soon.